Okay, in this video we're going to look at text blocks, so how to edit the content text on your design. You'll see on your design here we've got some text. We can just mouse over any block, and to edit it, well, it's nice and easy. We just click on it. And we can now edit our content text inline and add more content as we need. And you'll see at the top we have our familiar text formatting options. So perhaps we want to make a bit of text bold. Just highlight it like you would and click on bold. And maybe we want a hyperlink inside here as well. So let's put this on a new line. And again, we can just highlight it and click on the chain link icon. And now enter our page URL. Okay, perfect, we've hyperlinked it. So you'll see that most of your styling can be done from the top section here, which is a familiar workspace. On the right hand side here, we've got the global settings for this block. So you can bump up the font size and you'll see that the whole block is now changing. Or alternatively, if you wanted it in a different color, you've got varied options on side the color picker here. So perhaps let's make it something like a blue to stand out a little bit more. And you've got the alignment options, which will change the alignment for all this text block. So you can see at the moment this isn't in the center. We can bump it to the left or the right, or put it back to where it was. And you see here we've got other styling options available. So at the moment we can see this block is using the same background color as our main design. You see here we can change it to something else. So perhaps we wanted it to stand out a little bit more. And finally over here we have the AI tab. This is perfect if you need to use a bit of AI to help improve your wording or perhaps give you some inspiration. So perhaps we've got our wording in here and we're not quite happy with it. So why don't we try doing enhanced wording? So let's let AI know what tone we want. So perhaps let's set it to be persuasive. And with the target to sell more. Okay, if we click generate. So AI is going to look at our content text and work out how it could be improved to meet those targets that we've set. Okay, perfect. If you like it, click on approve. If you don't, click on decline. And we can see our new AI generated text has been appended to our workspace. When you finish editing this block, we just click on close at the bottom. Okay, that's a quick look at how to edit text on your campaign.